Parade March, Emblem of Unity. Composer is J.J. Richards. Drum major, Mariano Elias III. Color guard captains, Jessica Rosby and Lynn Mull. Percussion captains, Gabriel Harburg. The Benicia High School Panther Marching Band would like to dedicate this performance to the memory of our beloved booster parent, Carol Hand. She was the biggest supporter of the Benicia music programs and will be forever missed.
This is Dr. Livingston from California Band Association. It's my pleasure to serve as your program. Good luck to you and have an excellent performance.
I appreciate the staging that we have right now. Just
ready, good! Militant! Hunt! One!
Alright, here we go. Excited for this? Excited to have flags facing directions.
I appreciate the speed and
Dimension.
we have to make sure that our body just
Nice wide sectionization for the performance with good consistent body placement. Ooh, good snap with the heads up there.